So what we're going to do is the Botox for the 11 lines. So sometimes you can tell the patient give matte fill, okay, or you can just squeeze the muscles, and you can see the 3 muscles, 1, 2, and 3. So these are the muscles that we need to inject. The one in the middle, sometimes I inject it twice because you could see that it is so kind of long. So the medication spread, but you know, when you do 2 injections, it makes it spread even more. So, and then I change the angle here for the one on the side, okay, so that we don't cause any eyelid droop. And then what we're going to do is also for the bunny lines, the same thing. I can either ask the patient to scrunch your nose like this, scrunch, do it like this. Okay, you can relax. Okay, all right, a little pinch, okay, and then another pinch here. And these are for these bunny lines. The dose usually in the bunny lines is anywhere between 4 to 8, 10. You know, so I did 2 and 2 only to start. She's young, doesn't have much, so we'll see. In the future, sometimes I also do in the middles for the bunny line, like 2, 2, 2, something like this. But we'll watch and see what happens.